Okay, so welcome to all of you. Today we'll see how to find the work done by a force over a curve in space with the help of the vector integration. Okay, so we'll first define what is meant by work done. Okay, so let's see be a smooth curve. Parameter is by r bar of t. T lies between a and b. That means t is in the closed interval a b. Let f bar be a continuous force field over a region. Okay, or a region containing C. Okay, C is contained that region. Then the work done in moving an object from point A to point B along C is. Okay, so this is same as the integral. This is same as the line integral. Okay, f bar dot dr bar t bar is a unit tangent vector. Okay, t bar is a unit tangent vector. Okay, so now this is you are familiar with this one. So work done is same as the integral over C f bar is the same as the line integral. Okay, now we are both the things flow integral and a flux. So we are interested in two also. So what is the flow integral and circulation velocity field? Okay, let r bar be r bar of t parameterization of a smooth curve C in the domain of a continuous velocity field f bar. The flow along the curve from A to B is integral over C f bar dot this. This is same as work done like this. Okay, so the integral is called flow integral. That means the work done is same as the flow also. Okay, so both are same. Formula for both are same now here. So even though so this is also no this is not same now here. The flux is what integral over C f bar dot n bar ds. So that is what if your f bar is m I bar, that means m and n are the functions of x and y. Okay, so m dx minus n dy. Okay? M dy minus n dx. Okay, note that this m. This is what actually this is the coefficient of I. So you have to take dy here and then dx there. Okay, so these are the formula for work done, flow, and flux. Okay, so we'll see the problems on it now. Okay, so these are very important things now. Okay. To solve the problem, these three are very important. Okay, so with the help of these 3 points, we will solve the problems. Find the work done. Find the work done by the force f bar is equal to y minus x square I bar z minus y square j bar plus this is j bar. Okay, j bar, this is x minus z square k bar in moving an object along the curve r bar of t is equal to t I bar plus t square j bar plus t cube k bar 0 less than t less than 1 from 0 to 1 from 0 to 1. Okay, solution. Given that f bar is equal to y minus x square I bar plus z minus y square j bar plus x minus z square k bar. Okay, so r bar of t is equal to t I bar plus t square j bar plus t cube k bar. Okay, so dr bar is equal to dt I bar plus 2 dt j bar plus 3 square dt k bar. Okay, so f bar dot dr bar. So here what this implies that x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. Okay, so f bar dot dr bar, what? Just we will write this y minus x square dt plus z minus y square 2t dt plus x minus z square 3t square dt. Okay, so we'll write the value of y, x, y, z now. Your y minus x square. So what? Y minus x square means what? T square minus t square. So this is 0. Okay, so we'll write this. This is t square minus t square. Okay. Okay. Now then, dt we are taking common. Okay. So z is what here? Z is t cube minus y square. What is y? Y square means t raised to 4 into 2t. dt we are taking common. Okay. X is what? X is t minus z square. Z is t cube. So t raised to 6. T raised to 6. T square. So dt is here. Okay. So now work done is equal to integral over c f bar dot dr bar. This is integration from 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Okay. So now this get cancelled. So we'll simplify this. So this is t raised to 4. Okay. So this is t raised to 4. 2t raised to 4 minus 2t raised to 5 plus 3t raised to cube minus 3t raised to 8 dt minus 3 dt. Okay, so now we'll integrate this. So this is what? 2t raised to 5 upon 5 minus 2t raised to 6 upon 6 plus 3t raised to 4 upon 4 minus 3t raised to 9 upon 9. Okay, so this is 0 to 1. So this is what? 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 4 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. So this answer is just I directly write the value of this one was 29 by 16. So I hope that you can do this one. Okay. Okay. So next we will do the problem. Find the work done by the force. Find work done by the force. F bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar in moving an object along the curve C parametrized by r bar of t is equal to cos pi t I bar plus t square j bar plus sin of pi t k bar 0 less than t less than 1. Okay, solution. Given that f bar is equal to xi bar plus yj bar plus zk bar. Okay, r bar of t is equal to cos pi t I bar plus t square j bar plus sin pi t k bar. So therefore x is equal to cos pi t, y is equal to 2t, z is equal to sin pi t. Okay, so f bar dot dr bar. Okay, so we'll find dr bar. Okay, dr bar is nothing but minus pi sin pi t. Okay, derivative of cos pi t minus sin pi t into derivative of pi t, that is pi. Okay, so dt, this dt is very important, I bar plus 2t dt j bar plus pi cos pi t dt k bar. Okay, now we'll find f bar dot dr bar. So f bar dot dr bar what? Minus x pi sin pi t dt. Okay, plus y 2t dt plus z pi cos pi t dt. We'll put the values of x, y, z, and so x, y, z. This is what we'll take dt common. So minus pi. Okay, y is constant. Okay, your x is what? Cos pi. Okay, cos pi t sin pi t. Cos pi t sin pi t. Okay, we'll write in bracket. Okay, we are taking dt common, so we are not writing this. Y is 2t. Y is 2t. No, where this is? Okay, so y is 2t. 2t into 2t, that is what? Plus 4t square. Then this is what? Z. Okay, so plus pi. What is your Z? Sin pi. Okay, sin pi cos pi sin pi t cos pi t. Okay, so dt. This get cancelled. So this is only what? 4t square dt. 4t square dt. So this is only the 4t square dt. Okay, so therefore work done is equal to integral over c f bar dot d bar. Okay, so this is nothing but integration. Limit of t is given to you. That is what? 0 to 1. Okay, 0 to 1 4t square dt. So this is what? 4 t cube upon 3, 0 to 1. So that is what? 4 by 3. So your work done is no. Y is what? Y is t square, not 2t. Y is t square. Okay, so this is what then? T square. Then this is what? 2t cube now. This is 2t cube. So this is what? 2t cube. 2t cube. This is 2t cube. So this is y. Okay. So y is your t square. Okay. 2t cube. So this is what? 2t raised to 4 upon 4. So this value will be what then? 1/2. Okay. So this value will be 1/2. This value will be 1/2. T raised to 4 upon 4. Okay. So this is what? T raised to 4 upon 4. And this is 2 now. This is 2. Okay. So just we solve this. Next, find the work done by the force. Find work done by the force. F bar is equal to xy I bar plus y minus x j bar over the straight line from 1 1 to 2 3. 1 1 to 2 3. Okay, solution. Given that f bar is equal to xy I bar y minus x j bar. Okay, so r bar of t is equal to 1 minus t 1 1 plus t 2 3, 0 less than t less than or equal to 1. Okay, this is your r bar of t. Okay, so just we write this what? 1 minus t plus 2t, then 1 minus t plus 3t. Right, so this is equal to what? 1 plus t I bar plus 1 plus 2t j bar. Okay, so x is equal to 1 plus t, y is equal to 1 plus 2t. Okay, so dr bar is equal to dt I bar plus 2 dt j bar. Okay, so f bar dot dr bar is equal to xy dt. Okay, xy dt plus y minus x 2 dt I'll take dt common. I'll put at the values of x and y. So x into y is what? 1 plus t, 1 plus 2t. Then y minus x. So y is what? 1 plus 2t minus 1 minus t dt. Okay. So we'll simplify this. 1 plus 2t plus t plus 2t square. Okay. And this is what then? This is plus t dt. Okay. So with that, work done. Work done is equal to integral over c f bar dot dr bar 0 to 1. Just we simplify this now here. So this is what? 1 plus 4t plus 2t square dt. This is 1 plus 2t. Okay. T plus t. Oh, 2 is here. 2 dt is here. 2 is here. Okay. So just we have to multiply by 2 now here. So this 1 gets cancelled, and this is what? 2t. Okay. So this will be what then? 5t. Okay. So this will be 5t. Okay. So you have to take the care of this 2 now. 2 to this. Okay. Now it is correct now. So this is what? We will integrate this. Integration of 1 is t plus 5t square by 2 plus 2t cube by 3. Okay. 0 to 1. This is equal to what then? 1 plus 5 by 2 plus 2 by 3. So your LCM is 6. Your LCM is 6. So 6 plus 15 plus this is 6. Okay. So this is 2. That means it is 4. So 10. So this is 25 by 6. So your answer is 25 by 6. Okay. Next. Find work done. Work done by the gradient of f of xy is equal to x plus y square counterclockwise the circle x square plus y square is equal to 4 from 2 0 to itself. Okay. Solution. Given that f of xy is equal to x plus y square. Okay. So your f bar is same as what? F of xy. This is same as dou f by dou x I bar plus dou f by dou y j bar. So the dou f by dou x. So this is what? Twice x plus y I bar plus twice x plus y j bar. Okay. So this is your f bar. Okay. So r bar of t is, see what you have to given. So this is the circle. Okay. So this is the circle. The center at origin. So this is what? 2 0. This is minus 2 0. And what? From 2 0 to itself. That means we have to consider whole circle is there. Okay. So, and you know the parametric equation of for circle is what? A cos t I bar plus b means what here? B is also 2. Okay. So 2 sin t j bar. Okay. And the range of t is what? Full circle is there. That means this is this. Okay. So your x is what? So your x is 2 cos t, y is 2 sin t. Okay. So dr bar is equal to minus 2 sin t dt I bar plus 2 cos t dt j bar. Okay. So this is dt j bar. Okay. So now f bar dot dr bar. So this is what? So this is f bar. Okay. So minus 4 x plus y sin t dt plus again this is 4 x plus y cos t dt. Okay, so I will take this is what minus 4. What is your x? X is 2 cos t, 2 cos t plus 2 sin t into sin t plus 4 2 sin t plus 2 cos t plus 2 cos t into cos t dt into cos t dt. Okay, just we will simplify this. This is what minus 8 sin t cos t. Okay, minus 8 sin square t plus 8 sin t cos t plus 8 cos square t dt plus 8 plus 8. Okay, now this is equal to what? This is what 8t, this get cancelled. Now this is what then 8 cos square t minus sin square t dt. Okay, so this is 8 cos 2t 8 cos 2t dt. Okay, now we integrate this. So what is this? Work done. Okay, so work done. So we'll take the care of this. Okay, is it okay? Okay, so this is what 2x plus y. This is correct. This is correct. Okay. Okay, so this is what integration is what 0 to 2 pi 8 cos 2t dt. Okay, so this is what 8 sin 2 pi sin 2t. Okay, sin 2t upon 2 0 to 2 pi 0 to 2 pi. So this is sine function, so it is 0. So what done is 0 sin 2t. Okay, this is sin 2t. This is sin 2t upon 2. Okay, so but sin 4 pi 0 sin 0 is 0, so that means what this is value is 0 now. We'll take the next problem. A fluid velocity field F bar is equal to xi bar plus zj bar plus yk bar. Find the flow. Flow is same as the work done now. Okay, along the helix r bar of t is equal to cos of t I bar plus sin of t j bar plus t k bar 0 less than t less than pi by 2. Okay, solution. F bar is equal to xi bar plus zj bar plus yk bar. Okay, r bar of t is equal to cos t I bar plus sin t j bar plus t k bar. Okay, this implies that x is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t, z is equal to t. Okay, so dr bar is equal to minus sin t dt I bar cos t dt j bar plus dt k bar. Okay, what is f bar got? Dr bar. F bar got dr. This is f bar. Okay, so minus x sin t dt plus z cos t dt plus y dt plus y dt. Okay, so now we'll put the value of x. X is cos t. Okay, so this is what? Minus sin t cos t. This is sin t. We are putting the value of cos t. Okay, then z is what? T. Okay, so plus t cos t plus y is sin t, y is sin t dt. Okay, so now what is that? Flow. Okay, so flow is equal to integral over c f bar dot dr bar. Okay, so this is 0 to pi by 2, 0 to pi by 2. This is what? Minus sin t cos t. Okay, for minus sin t cos t you can write directly the formula, that is what? Minus half sin 2t. Okay, you can divide and multiply by 2, you will get this. T cos t you cannot do anything. T cos t plus sin t, this is also integrable. Okay, so this is integrable. Now we'll integrate this first. Okay, integration of sin is minus cos, so this become plus. So this is what? 1 by 4 cos 2t. Here we have to use the by part, so we'll use the by part. T into integration of cos t dt minus d by dt of t integration of cos t dt dt. Okay, plus integration of sin t minus, this is minus cos t. Okay, so 0 to pi by 2. Okay, 0 to pi by 2. We'll write this 1 by 4 cos 2t. Integration of cos is sin. Okay, so plus t sin of t. Now this integration of cos t sin, derivative of t is 1. So this is what? Sin, and integration of sin is again minus cos. So this becomes cos t minus cos t, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, so this cos t get cancelled. So directly we put pi by 2. So this is what? If you put pi by 2, so this is cos pi. Cos pi is what? Minus 1. Sin pi by 2 is 1. So this is what? Pi by 2. Okay, so minus. If you put t is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1 and this is 0. So this is what? Minus cos 0 is 1. So this is what? 1 by 4. So this is 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 is what? Minus 2 by 4, that is minus half. So this is what? Pi minus 1 upon 2. This is the answer, pi minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so now we'll go to the next problem. Find the flow of the velocity field f bar is equal to x plus y I bar minus x square plus y square j bar along each of the following paths, from 1 0 to minus 1 0 in the xy plane. Okay, first A, the upper half of the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 1. Second, the line segment from 1 0 to minus 1 0, and C, the line segment from 1 0 to 0 minus 1, and then to minus 1 0, and then to minus 1 0. Is there any one more? Okay. Solution. F bar is equal to x plus y I bar minus x square plus y square j bar. Okay, so we'll take 1 now. We'll take a 1. Okay, r bar of t is equal to r bar of t. So what is that? Upper half of the circle. So r bar of t is what? X square plus y square is equal to 1. This is the unit circle. So parametric equations are cos t I bar plus sin t j bar. So that means what? X is equal to cos t, y is equal to sin t. Okay. So d r bar is equal to minus sin t dt I bar cos t dt j bar. Okay. F bar dot dr bar, f bar dot dr bar, f bar dot dr bar. So what is this? F bar is x plus y. Okay. So minus x plus y sin t, minus x plus y sin t, minus x square plus y square. Oh, this is sin t dt, cos t dt. Okay. So we take dt common. Okay. So minus x plus y, x plus y. That means what? Cos t plus sin t, cos t plus sin t, sin t, minus x square plus y square is 1. No problem for this. X square plus y square is 1. So this is what? Minus cos t, and this is what? Dt, minus cos t dt. So this is equal to what? Minus sin t cos t minus sin square t minus cos t dt. Okay. So this you can write minus half sin 2t minus, so this is what? 1 minus cos 2t upon 2 minus cos t dt. Okay. Now all are integrable. Directly we will take the integration now. So what you want? You want what? Find the flow. Okay. So flow is equal to integral over c f bar dot dr bar. So this is integration. It is the upper half. That means what? Upper half. That means the limit of the theta is not 0 to pi. Okay. This is 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Okay. So minus 1 half sin 2t minus half plus 1 half cos 2t minus cos t dt. Okay. So integration is what then? My integration of minus is sin is minus cos, right? So minus cos 2t upon 4. It will be 4 minus t by 2 plus the integration of cos 2t is what? Sin 2t upon 2. So this is what? Sin 2t upon 4 minus sin t. So limit is what? 0 to pi. 0 to pi. Okay. So we put pi now. First put pi. Cos 2 pi is what? 1. So this is minus 1 by 4. This is minus 1 by 4. So then pi minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2. Okay. Then sin 2 pi is 0. Sin pi is 0. Okay. So this is over. Minus. You have to put t is equal to 0. Cos 0 is 1. So minus 1 by 4. Minus 1 by 4. So this t is 0, 0, 0. So this is what? Minus pi by 2. Minus pi by 2. Okay. So the first part is over. Okay. So we'll write the second one now. Okay. So second. The second is what? Just a line segment from 1, 0 to minus 1, 0. So that you can do this. Okay. So that is the exercise to you. Okay. I will directly do the C now. Okay. We'll solve C. In C, you get the solution of that also. Minus 1, 0. Okay. So that you will get a solution from that also. Okay. So but this is not a okay. So parallel solution you can do this. Okay. So this is what? R bar. Okay. C is equal to what? C1 union C2. C is here C1 union C2. Where C1 is line segment joining 1, 0 and 0 minus 1. C2 is line segment joining your next point one minus 1 to minus 1, 0. Okay. This is line. Okay. So parallel to this, you can solve the second one. This is B now. Okay. Instead of this second, we'll call this as B because this is A, B, C. Okay. Okay. So R1 bar of T. we'll write r1 bar of t. So what is r1 bar of t? 1 minus t, 1 minus t, 1 0 plus t 0 minus 1. So this is what 1 minus t, 1 minus t and this is what minus t. Okay, so dr bar is what? Minus dt, minus dt, minus dt, minus dt, minus dt. That means what? This is what? Minus dt I bar minus dt j bar, and this is what? 1 minus t I bar plus t minus t j bar. Okay, so x is equal to 1 minus t, y is equal to minus t, y is equal to minus t. Okay, so now f bar dot dr bar, r1 bar will call this r1 bar, f bar dot, okay, so what is f bar? X plus y. Okay, so minus x plus y dt, minus minus become plus. Okay, so x plus y square dt. So we'll take the dt common, minus x is what? 1 minus t plus t, dt we are taking common, plus x square. So 1 minus t square plus minus t square. Okay, so dt. Now we'll find I1 now. I1 is equal to integration of over C1 f bar dot dr1 bar is equal to limits are 0 to 1, no problem for this one. Okay, so 0 less than t less than 1. Line segment, your t is 0 to 1. Okay, so 0 to 1. Your t get cancelled here. So this is what? Minus 1. Okay, plus you can integrate this 1 minus t square. So don't expand this, plus t square. Okay, so dt. So this is what? We'll integrate this. Minus t plus 1 minus t cube upon minus 3, because coefficient of t is minus 1. Okay, so minus 3 plus t cube upon 3. So this is 0 to 1, 0 to 1. So we will put 1 only. Okay, so if you if you put t is equal to 0, it will not 0. So you have to put a lower limit also. This is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. If you put t is equal to 1, this is 0 then. Okay, so plus 1 by 3 minus, you have to put t is equal to 0. If you put t is equal to 0, this is 0, but this is 1. Okay, so 1 cube is 1, so this is minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 3. Okay, so now this is what? Minus 1, this minus become plus now. So this is what? 2 by 3. So this is minus 1 by 3. So this integral is what? Minus 1 by 3. Okay, okay, so this is minus 1 by 3. Okay, so your I1 is what? Minus 1 by 3. Minus 1 by 3. Okay, so now for C2, okay, for C2, R2 bar of t, R2 bar of t, 1 minus t, 1 minus t, 0 minus 1 plus t minus 1 0. Okay, so this is what? This is minus t. Okay, so minus 1 plus t now, minus 1 plus t. So this is what? X is equal to minus t, y is equal to minus 1 plus t, minus 1 plus t. Okay, so now dr bar is equal to what? Minus dt I bar plus dt j bar. Okay, so f bar dot dr bar is what? Minus x plus y dt, minus x plus y dt, minus x square plus y square dt, minus your x is what? Minus t, your y is what? Y is what? Minus 1 plus t, minus x square. X square is what? Minus t square plus y square. Y square is what? Y is what? Y is minus 1 plus t square. Okay, so dt is common. So this is equal to what? Your dt get cancelled. This is 1 minus t square minus t minus 1 square. Okay. Okay. So this is f bar dot dr bar. Now your flow, your I2 is what? Integral over C2 f bar dot dr bar. The R2 bar. Okay. So this is R2 bar. So 0 to 1, 1 minus t square minus t square minus 1 square. Okay. So dt. We'll integrate this. This is t minus t cube by 3. T minus t cube by 3 minus t minus 1 cube upon 3, 0 to 1. Okay. So first we put 1. So if you put 1, so this is what? 1 minus 1 by 3. Then we'll put t is equal to 0. So this is 0, this is 0. So if you put t is equal to 0, minus 1 cube is 1. So this is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So this is what? 1 minus 2 by 3. 1 minus 2 by 3. So I2 is your 1 minus 2 by 3. Okay, so something is wrong. Minus 1 plus t, this is correct. This is minus t. Okay, minus dt, this is correct. Minus this. So this is what? Your x square. This is minus. Okay. So now then what? Your I is what? I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2. Your I1 is what? Minus 1 by 3 plus 1 minus 2 by 3. So this is 0 we get. Okay. So we have made mistake, I think here what? This should be the plus 1 by 3. This should be the plus 1 by 3. Okay, so check somewhere now. So we have made a mistake somewhere now. In the calculation, we made a mistake. Oh, this is plus. No, this is what? Minus. Okay. Minus this square minus this. Okay. This is minus. Okay. Okay, so no problem for this one. Our method is correct. Somewhere we have made a mistake somewhere now here. Okay. So or we may correct. So whatever the solution in the book, it may be wrong. Okay. Find circulation. Find circulation of the field F bar is equal to x minus y I bar plus x j bar around the circle r bar of t is equal to cos t I bar plus sin t j bar. So circulation means closed curve. Okay, Circulation means the closed curve. That means you have to do the same integration, not the same integration. Same, that is what f bar dot dr bar. But you have to, it should be along the closed curve. So it is along the closed curve. The limit of t is what 0 to pi. So no problem for this one. Okay. Solution. I will directly write the dr. Okay. Given that f bar is equal to, okay. So given that f bar is equal to this. Okay, and r bar of t is equal to this. Okay, so dr bar is equal to minus sin t dt I bar plus cos t dt j bar. Okay, now f bar dot dr bar is what? X minus y, this is minus, okay, sin t dt plus x cos t dt. Okay, so this is dt j bar. Okay, so this is equal to what? So we'll write minus x means y minus x. Okay, so your y is what? Y is sin t minus cos t. This is minus is there, so y minus x into sin t plus x is what? Your x is cos t, so this is cos square t dt. This is cos square t dt. Okay, so now this is what? Sin square t plus cos square t is 1, so 1 minus cos t sin t dt. Okay, so now your circulation is equal to integral over c f bar dot integral, this is the, you can write the circulation dr bar. So this is what? 0 to 2 pi 1 minus 1 half sin 2t dt. To integrate this, it is easy to do. Okay, so this is what? T minus plus 1 half cos 2t upon 2 0 to 2 pi. So this is 2 pi. This is cos 4 pi. Cos 4 pi is always 1. So this is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 minus 0. Cos 0 is 1. So this is 1 by 4. So the value is what? 2 pi. The value is 2 pi. Okay, so we do the last problem on the flux now. Last problem on the flux. Okay, find the flux of a bar x minus y I bar plus x j bar across the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 in the xy plane. In the xy plane. Okay, solution. Given that f bar is equal to m I bar plus n j bar is equal to x minus y I bar plus x j bar. Okay, so your m is what? X minus y. Your n is what? X now. In x. Okay, now r bar of t is what? R bar of t. So your c is what? You want to across the circle. So r bar of t is what? Cos of t I bar plus sin of t j bar. Okay, across the circle in the xy plane. Circle is full. Okay, so that means your range of t is what? 2 pi. Actually, flux is the circulation. That means you have to consider full circle. Okay, so that is what then your flux is integral over c m dx minus m dy. Okay, m dy minus n dx. M dy minus n dx. Okay, so now we'll find m dy minus dx. Okay, so m dy minus n dx. What is m? M is x minus y. X minus y. Okay, so what is dy? So your x is what? Cos t. Y is what? Sin t. Okay, what is dy? Cos t dt. Cos t dt. Minus n. Your n is what? x, is it minus? Okay, minus n dx. So dx is what? Minus sin t dt. Okay, what is your x? X is what? Cos t. Okay, so this is what? Cos t minus sin t cos t. Okay, so we'll take dt common. X is what? X is cos t. Okay, so this is cos t sin t dt. Okay, so if you simplify this, what you get? This is minus sin t cos t get cancelled, and this is cos square t dt. So this is what? Cos square t dt. So this is cos square t dt. Okay, so therefore plus is equal to integration from 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi cos square t. Okay, cos square t dt. So you cannot directly integrate cos to cos t. You have to consider this is into 1 plus cos 2t upon 2 dt. Okay, so now integrate this. This is what? 1/2. So this is what? T by 2. Integration of cos is sine plus sine. So this is what? Sine 2t upon 4, 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so if you put the lower limit, it is 0. If you put upper limit here, sine of 4 pi 0. So only this is what? 2 pi by 2. So this is pi. So your required answer is what? Pi. So this is very simple now. Okay, so I hope that you understand this one. The line integral is very easy now here. Okay, so everywhere we are using the line integral only. Okay, so I hope that you understand this one. Just try to solve this problem. Okay, so without help of this lecture. Okay, so take a problem and solve it independently. Okay, so I hope that you can do this one. Okay, so we stop here. Thank you.